The multi-camera workspace functions slightly differently from your standard workspace. The left of the program window will display a smaller size view of all your available camera options, with a larger view on the right displaying the option that you're currently using. In the small display, when a box is surrounded in yellow, that means it's currently the angle being used. In Multicam, you can make edits in real time, so while your edit is playing back, if I press the 2 key on the keyboard, it will cut to the second camera option. A red box will now appear around that option. Next time you stop playback, the cut will be made in your multicam sequence. While playback is paused, you can also change angle. For example, with this entire section selected, if I now press the 3 key, it will change the entire section to the third camera option. In multicam mode, you can also make edits as normal by dragging the edges of clips to extend or shorten those cuts as necessary. With the timeline playing, you can make multiple cuts and also overwrite existing edits if you've chosen a new angle. You may also want to do some color correction. Double click and reopen your nested multicam sequence. Make sure to change the view back to the standard composite video, and then color correct the whole clips here, rather than having to do them individually many times in your multicam sequence.